Good morning, this is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning, and I want to thank Silvia House Cleaning in New York. I'm gonna put the link of her channel below this video because I want to tell her that today she started cleaning and changing the sheet from her bed, even though she is with the knee broken or something like that. And she motivates me, and I want to motivate you. So I just changed my quilt from the black one that I have here. I already washed it. It's clean, and I'm gonna use this storage bag. It's like a big Ziplock. The brand is Mighty Tour, and you can purchase that in this website. Let's see, householdessentials.com. There is different kind of bags and brands. Ziplock has big bags, and there is another brand here, Store Smart, and this is the website, storesmartbags.com. Okay, so you can do this to also your clients. 2 weeks ago, I helped one of my clients to put some clothes inside these big bags and seal it. I'm gonna use the bags and the vacuum. I'm recording, I'm doing at the same time, so I have to pause, put it inside, and then I'm gonna record how I absorb all the air and how it came. Thank you for watching. Okay, I have the quilt and the pillow here inside the bag. Remember that you can't pass this line. Do not fail or past this line. Close the top. There is a thing that it will help you to close. Okay, so I'm gonna start a vacuum and lay down this. This bag has a valve that you can close or you can open. So first of all, you have to open so we can absorb all the air. Even though it's not necessary, when I finish, I will put a tape covering this so there is no leak. Let me turn off the vacuum. Close that, and then I will put a tape just in case. I'm in the living room and I will use another bag. I put one big winter coat and 1, 2, 3, 4 jackets. And Carlos is gonna help me right now. Trata de mantenerlo. Ajá. Good. Fresh. Really good. And he's gonna put a tape. You got it. So this is another way how to organize. You have to reduce space in order to organize. I hope this helped. Okay, thank you for watching. Fiorella from Any House Cleaning, 407-572-4118. Okay, I have another bag that I bought in $3. It says large, but for me it's small. But what can you expect with $1? It was hard to open the size, but Carlos did it. Carlos, vamos. And I put 3 sweaters. Even though that put a tape, but I like the fact that it's different cup. At least it's something, you know. For $1 in $3.